Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Skillset Go. In this video we will see how to change the name of Wi-Fi router. So now I have connected to the Wi-Fi router, which is the TP-Link router. So presently the name of the Wi-Fi router name is TP-Link ED58. So we will be changing this name in the settings. So first log in to the router with the IP address 192.168.0.1 and just enter username and password. Normally it will be admin and admin. So just go to wireless option. So here just click on wireless and you can see wireless settings, wireless network name. So this is the name we are seeing while connecting to the Wi-Fi. So let's change this. So presently let's give a channel name Skillset Go and let's save it. Let's see whether this name will get changed or not. So the name got changed, but here it didn't get changed. We need to reconnect. So here we are seeing the TP-Link ED58 as well as the Skillset Go. We have changed the name. Let's try to connect this with the old name. So it's not getting connected, can't connect to this network. Maybe we need to refresh. Let's try to connect this new name. We have changed Skillset Go and let's enter your password, Wi-Fi password. So now we have connected to this and let's log in again. And let's go to wireless and let's see the wireless network name is Skillset Go. That's why we are seeing Skillset Go. I hope you like this video and understood how to change the network name. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.